Dear 8th standard students, we are going to learn the first chapter rational numbers. Before that, we remember something about the numbers that you know already. Yes, you know the numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers in the previous class. Just recall it. First, starts with 1, 2, 3 that are all natural numbers denoted as n. And then whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 that are all the whole numbers denoted as letter W. And negative numbers 0 and positive numbers are all together called integers denoted as the letter R. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, that is our fractions. Every whole numbers we can write in this form P by Q. For example, 0 as written as 0 by 1 and 1 as 1 by 1, minus 2 as minus 2 by 1. Like this. Therefore, rational numbers are the collection of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are in the form of P by Q. One more. You have to remember that Q is not equal to 0. That is very important. The denominator is not equal to 0. Then it starts from exercise 1.1. List out 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. First one, it is in whole number, and then second one minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. This is in the form of fraction, and 0.25 and 0.35. It is in decimal form. First one, minus 2 and 0. These are whole numbers. So first, change into rational number form. What's the rational number form? That is in fraction. Fraction form. How will you change it? Minus 2 by 1 and 0 by 1. In between minus 2 by 1 and 0 by 1, only one number is there, that is minus 1 by 1. They ask 5 rational numbers in between them. So first, we have to multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator. Minus 2 by 1 into 10 and 0 by 1 by 10. Multiply the numbers. Minus into plus, minus 2 into 10, 20 divided by 10 and 0 into anything, 0 divided by 1 into 10, 10. Between minus 2 by 10 and 0 by 10, so many numbers are there. Minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, third, minus 1 by 10. So there are 5 rational numbers. We have to write only 5 numbers from this. Minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. This is the answer. Now the second sum, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. See, the denominators are not equal. Equalize the denominators by taking LCM. So LCM divided by 2 first to get 1. Divided by 5 get 1. And then also factors. LCM equals to 2 into 5. This can be LCM as 10. Now minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. What number we multiply by 2 to get 10? That is 5. The same number we have to multiply the numerator also. Here we multiply by 2. Minus into plus minus 1 into 5, 5 divided by 10. 3 to 4, 6 divided by 5 to 10. Now the denominator is all equal. So compare the in between numbers from 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. Minus 4 by 10, comma minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, till 5 by 10. There are 5 numbers. So first 5 numbers you can write. Now the third sum, 0.25 and 0.35. These are in decimal form. First we have to change in fraction form. I already told you how to change in fraction form. After the decimal point, 2 digits are here. So divided by 100. And 35 by 100. In between these two numbers, 26 by 100, 27 by 100, 28 by 100, 29 by 100, to 34 by 100. Our answer is any 5 numbers from this: 26 by 100, 27 by 100, 28 by 100, 29 by 100, and 30 by 100. Now the fourth sum, minus 1.2 and minus 2.3. These are also decimal form, so we have to change in fraction form. What's the procedure? After the decimal point, only one digit here. So write the numbers as famous and divided by 10. Only one digit here. So we have to divide it by 10. And minus 23 by 10. In between the numbers, 12 by 10 and minus 23 by 10. Minus 13 by 10, minus 14 by 10, minus 15 by 10, here, minus 22 by 10. Our answer is any 5 numbers from this. So minus 13 by 10, minus 14 by 10, minus 15 by 10, minus 16 by 10, and minus 17 by 10. Go to sum. Write 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 3 by 5 and 7 by minus 6. First sum, minus 3 by 5. Equivalent means the number changed but the values are not changed. How? We have multiplied by 2. in with numerator and denominator also. First number result minus 3 2 are 6 divided by 10. This is also a rational numbers and equivalent to minus 3 by 5. And then minus 3 by 5 multiplied with 3. We get minus 9 by 15. And then minus 3 by 5 multiplied with 4. We get minus 12 by 20. And then minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 5. We get minus 15 by 25. So these are the 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 3 by 5. If we can simplify that, it results minus 3 by 5. That is equivalent fraction. Next is some 7 by minus 6. 7 by minus 6. Minus 7 by 6. Everything is same. Both are same. First one minus 7 by 6 multiply with 2. You get minus 14 by 12. Then minus 7 by 6 multiply with 3. You get minus 21 by 18. Minus 7 by 6 into 4. We get minus 28 by 24. Minus 7 by 6 multiplied with 5. We get minus 35 by 30. These are the 4 equivalent fractions in rational numbers equivalent to minus 7 by 6. Fifth sum, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. First number 9 by 4. Is it proper or improper? It is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. First we have to change in mixed fraction. Divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 9? 2 4s, 8, balance 1. Quotient, remainder by divisor, that is the mixed fraction. So quotient, what is quotient? 2, remainder divided by divisor. This is the whole number. First we draw the line and number line. Whole number means 2 is the whole number means the number lies in between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have to divide by 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. First part is the number. Don't write this number. This is the question. So the number we have to write here. 9 by 4. Next is some minus 8 by 3. Here also it is a improper fraction. So make it in mixed fraction. 8 divided by 3. How many 3s are there in 8? 2. 6 remainder 2. That is also quotient, remainder by divisor. What is the quotient here? 2 remainder 2 divided by divisor 3. Draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3, -4. Here also -2 is the whole number. So the number lies in between -2 and 3. How many parts we have to divide? 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. Which part is here? 2. Second part. So here is the number -8/3. Now the sixth sum. Find the rational numbers for the question mark marked on the number line. Last sum they given the numbers. We draw the number line and mark the numbers. Here they given the number line. We have to find what's the number. First, the number lies in between -3 and 4. So whole number is -3. How many parts is there? 3 parts. The second part you have to put in numerator, and how many parts is there? 3. So this is the answer. Here's the number line. That's the question mark lies in between 0 and -1. So here whole number is 0. How many parts is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put in denominator, and which part is the answer? Second part. So put in numerator. It is in negative side. So put sign minus. So answer -2/5. Now the seventh sum. Using average, write 3 rational numbers between 14/5 and 16/3. What's the average? 2 numbers here. Add these 2 numbers and divide by 2. That is the average. So first 14/5 plus 14/5 plus 16/3. Add these 2 numbers and divide by 2. Here the denominators are not equal. So take LCM 5, 3. LCM is 3 5s are 15. What number we have to multiply with 5 to get 15? 3. Here also 3. And here what number we have to multiply to get 15? 5. We have to multiply with numerator also. So 15 these are 42/15 plus 80/15 whole divided by 2. Here the denominators are common. In common 42 plus 80 whole divided by 2. 122 divided by 15 whole divided by 2. Now 122/15. Two fractions in division means change in multiplication. One condition is there. Take reciprocal to the second fraction. So 1 by 2 is the reciprocal. Here cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 6 twos are 12, and 2 ones are 2. Now 61 into 1, 61, 15 into 1, 15. Here we found only one number between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. What's the number? We found 61 by 15. They are the three rational numbers. So, using the average, two more numbers we have to find. This one and this one. Average of these two numbers we have to find. 61 by 15. Same procedure. 14 by 5 plus 61 by 15 whole divided by 2. Here also denominators are not equal. So take LCM. Divided by 5. Get 3. LCM equal to 5 is 15. So multiply by 3 we get 15. So here also multiply by 3. Already here 50 is there. So no change here. 42 by 15 plus 61 by 15 divided by 2. Now the denominators are common. So 15, 42 plus 61. We add this number. So add this number. 42 plus 61 we get 103 by 15 4 divided by 2. Two fractions in division form. So first fraction write as it is and then change into multiplication. We have the condition. Take reciprocal. Reciprocal for 2 is 1 by 2. Now cancellation is here. So multiply with numerator with numerator. 103 into 1, 103 divided by 15 into 2, 30. Now we found one more number. 103 by 30. And here we have to find this number. So take 61 by 15 and 16 by 3. Make average for that. 61 by 15 by 16 by 3 whole divided by 2. Take LCM for 15 and 3. 5 and 1. So LCM equal to 3 5s are 15. 15 is already here. So no change. And multiply by 5 to get 15. Multiply with denominator also. 16 5s are 80 divided by 15 whole divided by 2. Here the denominators are common. Put in common. 61 plus 80 whole divided by 2. Add this number 61 and 80. 141 divided by 15 whole divided by 2. So 141 by 15 into same procedure take reciprocal 1 by 2. 141 into 1. 141 divided by 15 twos are 30. The three rational numbers are 1 verify that minus into minus x is the same x for x equal to 11 by 15 and x equal to minus 31 by 45. First one, x equal to 11 by 15. To prove minus into minus x, minus into minus, what is x here? 11 by 15. So two signs here, so multiply that sign, minus into minus plus 11 by 15, that is what? X. So is true. And then second sum, x equal to minus 31 by 45. To prove minus into minus x, minus into minus, what is x? Minus 31 by 45. First step, we solve this one, minus into minus, minus into minus plus 31 by 45, and then here also one minus here, so minus into plus minus 31 by 45 versus x. So now the ninth sum, rearrange suitably and add. First sum, minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 by minus 6. Here two signs. So multiply that first. Minus 3 by 7, 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus into minus minus. So 13 by 6. Now assemble the numbers with same denominators. Minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 and then plus 5 by 6. Here also 6. So minus 13 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now solve them one by one. Minus, here same denominators put in common, and minus 3 plus 4 plus, here also 6 is common, 5 minus 13 plus 1 by 3. Now solve this one, minus 3 plus 4, different sign, so we have to subtract how much? 1. Plus or minus, which one is greater here? Plus 4 is greater, so plus sign is here. 1 by 7 plus 5 minus 13. Subtraction, how much? 8. 13 is greater one, so that sign is minus, and 4 and 1 by 3. Now here also two signs, so multiply those one, and 1 by 7 plus into minus minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now the denominators are not equal. Take LCM for that. 7, 6, 3. Divided by 3 first. So LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 7. 3 2 are 6, 6 are 42. Now the number is 1 by 7 minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. What number we have to multiply to get 42? So multiply with 6. Here also multiply with 6. Here 6 into 7 we get 42. 14. 1 6 are 6 divided by 42 minus 8 ones are 56 divided by 42 plus 1 14 so 14 by 42. Now putting common 42 6 minus 56 plus 14. Here 6 and 14 in positive. So add this first 20 minus 56 divided by 42. Now plus 20 minus 56. So we have to subtract. So 36. Which one is greater here? 56. So the sign is minus. Minus. Now the 10th question. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? What means we don't know the numbers. So let the number be x. First question, what should be added to minus 8 by 9? So minus 8 by 9 added to minus 8 by 9. That means minus 8 by 9 plus x equal to get 2 by 5. Now we don't know the number. Keep in the side. 2 by 5. Bring the number from the side. So sign will be changed. Plus 8 by 9. Now take the LCM to equalize the denominator. 5 comma 9. 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. So LCM equal to 45. What number we have to multiply to get 45? 9. And here 5. So we have to multiply the denominator also. 2 9s are 18 divided by 45 plus 8 5s are 40 divided by 45. Now the denominators are same. Put in common 45. 18 plus 40. Add this number 58 by 45. So that number is 58 by 45. Now the 11th sum. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 7 by 11. Subtract from 17 by 11 means put it in first. From minus 17 by 11 subtract which one? Minus 8 by 44. Now minus 17 by 11 minus into minus plus 8 by 44. Here the denominators are not equal. So take LCM 11 comma 44. So LCM equal to 11 4s are 44. Here multiply by 4 we get 44. Here also multiply by 4. 44 is already here. So no change there. Minus 17 4s are by 44. Put in common and add this number. Minus 68 plus 8. Minus 68 plus 8. So sign is different. So we have to subtract 60. Which one is greater here? 68. So the sign we have to put 60 by 44. That is the answer. Now the 12th sum. Evaluate 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3 and minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Two fractions in multiplication. First 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. Here any cancellation means cancellate and then multiply with numerator and denominator with denominator. First here cancellation is 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Any other cancellation here? No. So 3 plus 3 into minus 11. Plus into minus, minus 3 11s are 33 divided by 2 ones are 2. That is the answer. Second one, minus 7 by 27 into 25 by 35. Second one, minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Cancellation. See the cancellation? Both are in 3 tables. 9 threes are 27. 8 threes are 24. Here calculating 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. 5 ones are 35. Minus also calculated. Minus cancelled. So 1 into 8. 8. 9 5s are 45. Now the 13th sum. Divide. First sum minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by 10. Next one minus 3 by 13 by minus 3 and minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. First one minus 21 by means division. So we have to put division symbol. Minus 7 by minus 10. Now we have to change the multiplication symbol. How to change it? We have the condition for that. What's the condition? First fraction, write it as multiply. Change multiply symbol. What's the reciprocal? 10 minus 10 by minus 7. Now cancellation means cancellation, otherwise multiply that. Minus cancelled and 21 and 7 both are in third table. Sorry, 7th table. 3 times 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. Here 5th table. 5 ones are 5. 2 5s are 10. Here minus into plus 2. Minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6 divided by 1, that is equal to minus 6. This is the answer. Now second sum minus 3 by 13 by means division symbol minus 3. Minus 3 write as minus 3 by 1. Now I change the symbol multiplication. So take reciprocal for that. 1 by minus 3. Now minus cancel and 3 and 3 cancel. Balance 1 by 7 is the answer. Next one. minus 2, write as minus 2 by 1 divided by minus 16 by 6 by 15. Now I change the symbol division into multiplication. So take reciprocal for minus 6 by 15, 15 by minus 6. Sign cancel, minus minus cancel. Second table you have to cancel that. 2 into 1, 2 3s are 6. So 15 into 1, 15 divided by 3. We can divide that. So what's the solution? 5. So now the 14 sum, simplify 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10 as a rational numbers and show that it is between 6 and 7. As the sum 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10. First term, solve the bracket and of multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now solve the bracket first. Here the denominators are not equal, so take LCM for that. LCM equal to 2 5s are 10. Now what we have to multiply with 5 to get to 10, 2 here 5. So first 2 into 2, 4 by 10 plus 3 5s are 15 divided by 10. 3 by 10 is here. Now solve it. Denominators are equal, so put in common, add the number and divided by 3 by 10. Here answer 19 by 10 divided by 3 by 10. Two fractions are in multiplication division. So we have to change multiplication means take reciprocal for second fraction. So 10 by 3. Cancel 10 and 10. Plus 19 by 3. Now we have to show that it is in between 6 and 7. So 19 by 3 means writing mixed fraction, changing mixed fraction means 19 divided by 3. How many 3s are there in 19? 6 3s are 18 and 1. So mixed fraction quotient, remainder by divisor. Mixed fraction is 6 1 by 3. So show it in the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the whole number is 6. So it between 6 and 7. How many parts? 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. Which part we have to do? First part. So here 19 by 3. Means now the 15th question. Write 5 rational numbers which are less than minus 2. We know that every integer is the rational numbers. So less than minus 2 rational numbers less than minus 2 means minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, they asked only 5 numbers. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 is the answer. Now the 16th sum. Compare the following pair of rational numbers. First one minus 11 by 5 and minus 21 by 8. And then next sum 3 by minus 4 comma minus 1 by 2. Compare means you have to tell them which one is greater and which one is smaller one. First minus 11 by 5 minus 21 by 8. Everything you have to equalize the denominator first. So 5 comma 8. Take the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. LCM is 40. Minus 11 by 5, minus 21 by 8. What we have to multiply to get 40? It is 8. So multiply with numerator also. Here multiply by 5. Here also multiply by 5. So minus into plus minus. 11 is 88 divided by 40, comma minus 21 into 5, 105 minus 105 divided by 40. Their denominators are equal. So compare this numerator. In negative sign, which one is highest? That is the greater smallest number. So minus 88 is greater than minus 105 by 40. The answer is minus 11 by 5 is greater than minus 21 by 8. Next sum. 3 by minus 4 minus 1 by 2. I already told you 3 by minus 4 minus 3 by 4 is the same. Minus 1 by 2. Take LCM for the denominators 4 and 2. LCM equal to 2 to the 4. Here already 4 is there, so no change. And then here multiply by 2, we get 4. So minus 2 by 4. Now the denominators are equal. Compare the numerators. Minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 2 by 4. In negative sign, which one is highest? That is the smallest one. So answer is minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 1 by 2. Now the 17th sum. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending and descending order. First the numbers are minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 7 by minus 9, and minus plus 12 by 36. I told you, whatever it is, you have to take LCM to equalize the denominators first. So take LCM for that. 2, 12, 8, 24, 9, 36. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 12 2s are 24. Can't able to take LCM for 9 by 2 and 18 is here. And then you divide by 2 So 4, 6 2s are 12, 9, 9. Again 2, 3, 1. What's the factors here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, 24 3 are 72. Now rearrange the numbers. Minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24. Here minus minus cancel. So plus 7 by 9 and 12 by 36. What's the LCM there? 72. 72. 12 8s are 72. Here 8 9s are 72. And 24 3s are 72. So multiplying numerator with numerator also. 9 8s are 72. So multiply by 8 here also. 36 2s are 2s are 72. Minus into plus minus. 5 8s are 40 by 72. Minus into plus minus. 99 by 72. Minus into plus minus. 15 3s are 45. Divided by 72. And then 7 8s are 56. Divided by 72 and 12 2s are 24 divided by 7. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. First arrange the negative sign first. So which one is highest in negative sign? That is the smallest number. So here 99 is the smallest number. Minus 99 by 72. Next one. Minus 45 by 72 and then minus 40 by 72. Then here positive signs. 24 is the smallest one. So 24 by 72 and then 56 by 72. Now in descending order, the reversible process, that is big to small. That is 56 by 72 is the biggest one, and then 24 by 72, and then minus 40 by 72, and then minus 45 by 72, and then last one minus 99 by 72. We found ascending and descending order. Don't stop here, children. We have to write these numbers correspond to the number in the question. So minus 99 by 72 correspond to minus 11 by 8. And then minus 45 by 72 correspond to minus 15 by 24. And minus 40 by 72 correspond to minus 5 by 12. And then 24 by 72 correspond to 12 by 36, and then 56 divided by 72 correspond to 7 by 9. Here also in descending order was the process, reversible process. So minus 7 by 9 and 12 by 36, and then minus 5 by 12. And then minus 15 by 24 and minus 11 by 8. That is the answer. Okay children, now we see exercise 1.1 from the chapter rational numbers. So go through the example sums and practice each and every sums properly. Thank you.